I'm gonna be making lime pepper wings 2 different ways in this video. And to get my lime flavor, I'm gonna be taking a page from the one and only Spinelli over there at All Wings Everything. And I'm gonna be marinating my wings in lime juice. So I'm just gonna put them in the fridge in this glass container, and I'll leave them in there for about an hour until the grill comes up to temp and it's ready to go. All right, it's been about an hour now, and it's time to get my wings ready to go out on the grill. So let's drain all this lime juice off of these and get them dried up. Some paper towels down so that as I'm putting these wings on here, it'll dry the bottom of them, and then I can just dry the top. You always want your meat dry, because if your meat is wet, your seasoning won't stick. I'm just trying to get them as dry as I can on both sides. And then I'm gonna put these back in the fridge to let them continue to dry while my grill is coming up to temp. My charcoal chimney is right at the point where it goes from smoke to flame. That means it is time to dump them into my slow and clear, so let's get it done. Pink Himalayan salt, fresh ground pepper, roasted garlic. I'll come back out in about 15 minutes just to see how they're tasting, see how fast they're cooking. All right, it's been 15, let's take a look. Looking good already. I'm gonna give them a little flip here. Back out here at the grill, let's get a temperature check, see what we're looking at on internal temperature. Oh yeah, these things are way past done. Oh yeah, I can pull all of these. So I'm just gonna pull all of these back and then go inside and get a container to put them in, and then we'll take the next step. Let's get these babies off. Take them inside. And I got one more thing I wanna do to these. Man, I lost one of them. Oh, so what I want to do now is take these bad boys inside, and I'm going to make a butter sauce using that Badia lime pepper seasoning. And I'm going to toss these wings in that butter sauce. I'm not going to use a lot of that lime pepper seasoning because it's very salty, and I've already got these seasoned pretty well. All right, let's get it done. It is time for round two. This time we're doing the dry version of grilled lime pepper wings. I got those wings marinating in the rest of my lime juice. It was just enough. I'm gonna try to let them marinate for an hour, and then we're going to do the same holy trinity that I did on the wet wings: the Himalayan pink salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Let's hit them one more time with all three seasonings. A little more pink salt and roasted garlic. "15-minute check-in, man. Let's see what they're doing." Okay, they coming along. Let's give them a flip. It's been another 15 minutes, y'all. I would be very surprised if these things aren't done or almost done. So, I got my instant read with me. You can't see it, but that's showing 165, 168, 175 there. Down here on the other end, 179, 180. So these are pretty much just about done. Here's what I want to do that I did not do with the wet lime pepper wings. I want to get a little sear on them. I want to get a little color on them. So I'm going to move this chunk out of the way, put them directly over the coals for just a minute or two, and then take them off. Hell yeah, man. Woo, that's what I'm looking for. So it's time to vote. I'll tell you how it went with me and my wife, man. I just like dry rub wings anyway, so I'm partial to the dry version. My wife, though, did like the wet version better. I want to know which one you think you would like better. Drop a line in the comments and let me know which way you're voting. Place your votes. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's fun on the grill, y'all.